lobotomy. This is a lobotomy.
Oh!
I've committed a murder. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, would like to apologize to the Squish community for the murder that is about to occur today. The gutting. And I just want to say that I am deeply part of the Squish community, so this also hurts my heart. Today we have the alteration of Archie. You know what? I feel like I shouldn't have made him so much more personal to call him a him and be like his name is Archie because now we're attached. But I saw on TikTok someone make a tube top out of a Squishmallow and it was really cute, and I'm gonna take it one step further and make a whole outfit. Not that like I don't think that someone could wear a full Squish outfit out into the world. Like if I saw someone wearing something like what I'm about to attempt to make, I would scream. I would just shit myself. I'd be so excited. But I do think tis the season, and this definitely could be a Halloween costume if you are so inspired. I'm literally just like trying to talk more so I can put off having to take scissors to it because this too pains me. I was randomly able to find this giant axolotl though on Walmart's website for like $35, which genuinely never happens. I don't know if this makes the murder of Archie better or not, but it was really affordable, and I just am really nervous the Squish community is gonna come for me, but I am also part of the Squish community, so maybe I'm just thinking that I just don't want to be extradited from the Squish community. Kelly Toy and Jazz Wears, my apologies in advance. I feel like I shouldn't read about his personality before I murder him. Oh, he loves to play soccer. Oh God. I will say though, the stuffing is getting repurposed because Remy has to re-stuff one of her plushies that she had to fly back from San Francisco with, and she had to like rip all the stuffing out. So the stuffing of Archie is being repurposed and given life in the form of a Night Fury plushie.
He's an organ donor.
He's an organ donor! Archie, that is so noble of you. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh God. This is kind of like a lobotomy. I'm gonna try and cut the fewest amount of seams as possible. Oh my God. This is not what I thought I'd be spending my Friday doing. Actually, that's not true because I did plan this video. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah! This goes against everything that I morally stand for. Oh my God, this is a lobotomy, this is a lobotomy. Oh, this is a lot of fluff in here. Squish brains. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my God. See, this is why it's impossible to compete with Squishmallows if like I wanted to make my own plushies, because like this is just a quality plush. As I have my hand all like up in his guts. Remy, organ donation. This is what happens when you've been on YouTube for 10 years and you start not running out of ideas, but the ideas start becoming just more and more obscure. Oh my God, I'm just emptying his guts. Oh, I've committed a murder. Oh, it's a Squish corpse.
You skinned him.
I skinned him. Okay, Remy, I have a donation to you and your plushie. Please hold. Well, that was wildly traumatic. For some reason, I thought that this would feel like more fabric to work with than what I actually have. This is a collaboration between a child-friendly product, the Squishmallow, and making it an inappropriate costume, because that's what this channel is now. So here's the plan. We're making a whole outfit. Like this is gonna be a two-piece set, a Squish axolotl set. The face is gonna be some kind of halter. Here, axolotl fins we'll put on the side. We have to keep the fins or else I feel like you won't know what I am. And then an open back, I think, has to happen for the sake of how little fabric we have. I wanted to do some kind of ruching on the skirt, but I truly don't think that I have enough fabric and wiggle room to make that happen. So this might just have to be a micro skirt kind of situation. Maybe we can squeeze like a little V cut into like the leg, but I really have much less fabric than what I was thinking. Oh my God, this is the saddest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm gonna cut his face off so that I can start planning the halter portion. God, this feels oh, the eyes are gonna go right on the nipples. I can already tell. I'm dead. Also, that was not my best cutting. Oh, this is all gonna be very small. Okay, I'm gonna do some pinning and get planning for this teeny tiny little halter top. Okay, so here's what we have so far. It's like a little tiny triangle basically. The eyes are looking like they're gonna be less nipple placement-y, which I think is working out in our favor. So I'm gonna add some seams on the outside. This shouldn't be too difficult. Famous last words of the sewing machine. I feel so sad sitting next to this carcass. Trauma. Y'all, we're in good shape, but I just wanted to update you and let you know that I'm currently hand stitching an axolotl flipper onto this halter top. I've made a lot of Halloween costumes in my time, 10 years being on YouTube. There is a first for everything, and today's first is hand stitching an axolotl flipper onto this costume. Okay, so aside from the ties, the top is adorable and done and ready to go, and it's very cute. Went to go move on to the skirt and opened up Archie. I don't have enough fabric. I opened up like to see how many panels of fabric I had to like see if I could make something work, but unfortunately this is not gonna happen. This kind of has to go like as its own portion on the stomach. Like this can't really go anywhere else. So I really tried to like think about how I could rework these into a bunch of panels so that I could have the exact fabric, but it's not happening. It's just not in the cards. So I have this cotton fabric and a zipper, which is a pretty good color match. And I'm gonna just make a mini skirt out of this and put the tummy onto the skirt once it's sewn. I will talk to you hopefully one skirt later. You guys, I am dead. Oh I have never felt cuter in my entire life, and I am living my best Squishmallow dream right now. I know that I may have been removed from the Squish community, but this is my petition to be re-evaluated as a loyal Squish member because this is a full set. It's adorable. Catch me at the club in my Squish costume. This might be actually better than what I could have ever hoped for. This is the Squish costume of my dreams. I hope you enjoyed this hot mess of a video with honestly results. Although the path was chaotic, we have arrived. I understand that my flippers are flopping down right now. This is a flipper. I know it's not a gill, but it's not quite a flipper because like they've got little arms. My axolotl specialist, please do let me know. Axolotls are banned in California, and I've never been so appalled. I really went down a deep rabbit hole of potentially getting one as a pet, but they're illegal, so I'm not going to. Anyways, this is the extent of my axolotl ownership. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will have a link to the rest of the Halloween series of 2022, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.